I'm honored to be here today to witness two historic launches. The United States government, through the U.S. Agency for International Development, has been a long-term development partner of the Somali region with investments in livestock and pastoral development, water access, vocational education, and humanitarian assistance. Our support to the Jigjiga Export Slaughterhouse, JESH, and Hello Cash builds on this partnership. Let me start with our host today, JESH. The opening of JESH is really a huge development for the livestock sector in this region. Previously, the nearest export standard slaughterhouses were located hundreds of miles from the primary source of animals here in the Somali region. Now, with JESH opening, there is a slaughterhouse right here which will soon provide a reliable year-round market for 250,000 households to sell their livestock. JESH private investors put up $6 million of their own capital to build this facility. Through President Obama's Feed the Future initiative, the United States provided an additional $1.5 million to purchase equipment, including cold chain facilities, and to provide technical assistance to ensure JESH would be able to meet halal requirements and export standards. In addition, the Somali regional state has been a strong supporter of this initiative, providing road access and electricity connections worth $350,000. This is a great project when you can get the private sector, development partners, and then the regional governments to all work together. We can all be proud that meat from the Somali region will soon be exported directly from here to the Middle East, Asia, and other locations in Africa. And I encourage all stakeholders, including the private sector, government, and the pastoral community, to support JESH and similar ventures which can have a positive impact on the economic development of the Somali region. This partnership with JESH also highlights USAID's efforts to support resilience to climate-related shocks. As the efforts to respond to the current drought intensify over the coming months, JESH can potentially become a partner in buying excess livestock from vulnerable families, giving families the cash needed to provide for their children and to keep their poor livestock fed. The important work that our partner Mercy Corps is doing through USAID's pastoralist resilience improvement through market expansion, otherwise known as PRIME, activity is increasing the capabilities and capacities of households, communities, and institutions to be more resilient during the current drought and to be even better prepared for future shocks. Now let me take a pause and move on to Hello Cash. To facilitate livestock trade, it is important to have finance available. As such, I think it's very fitting that together with the Somali Microfinance Institution and Bell Cash, we are also launching the first commercial mobile and agent banking service. I should mention here that USAID and its partner Mercy Corps helped with the establishment of the Somali Microfinance Institution over 5 years ago. Hello Cash offers saving options, money transfers, and mobile-based payments for transactions of goods and services. This new financial service for the Somali region is an exciting innovation which will support entrepreneurship and increased incomes for tens of thousands of households. As we speak today, over 300 people are opening mobile bank accounts each day, and already 55,000 individuals have opened Hello Cash accounts with the Somali Microfinance Institution. Over the next 3 years, the new service expects to have 780,000 mobile banking users with projected transactions of 12 million annually through loans, savings, and money transfer services. Hello Cash will also create employment opportunities for at least 2,000 households as agents, marketers, and service providers. USAID provided $350,000 to support the expansion of Hello Cash services to hard-to-reach areas. Somali Microfinance Institute is investing over $3 million, while Bell Cash has invested another $1.8 million. The innovative investments we are making today demonstrate how the Feed the Future initiative is working to leverage the significant technical expertise and financial resources of the private sector to help build household resilience. The importance of transformational partnerships like these as a model for development cooperation was highlighted by President Obama during his visit to Ethiopia last summer. JESH and Hello Cash also demonstrate the innovation, creativity, and focus of the people of the Somali region. I can say on behalf of the United States government that we are proud to be a partner with you. Thank you again, President Abdi Mohammed Anwar, for your hospitality here today, and I want to thank all the people from the local community as well. So thank you very much.